What if I told you I made this 3D packaging without using any 3D software? No Blender, no Cinema 4D, just a website called Pacdora. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how I created professional packaging designs super fast using Pacdora, an online tool I recently discovered. With Pacdora, you can easily create mockups, dielines, and stunning packaging designs all in one place. You can use my code LOGO22 to save up to 20%. Pacdora gives you access to over 3,000 free box templates. You just pick one, customize the size, material, even thickness, and then download the dieline. You can download the dieline in multiple formats, like AI, PDF, 3D mockup, or even DXF for cutting machines. It's super helpful if you work with packaging print or just want to test designs for your portfolio. In the dieline file, you'll find everything you need to start designing your packaging. All the measurements and layout are already included. Mockup Generator. Now the fun part, 3D mockups. They have boxes, bottles, cans, jars, even food packaging. Just pick one, upload your design, and adjust the placement. To upload your design, just click here. All right, in this section, you can upload your design. I'm going to use this one as an example. Once it's uploaded, I'll adjust the design to fit the package properly, just moving it around and resizing where needed. Now I'll duplicate the layer so it shows up on both the front and back sides. Next, I'm going to change the package color to match the branding. You can pick any color that fits your style. And now here's the live 3D view of the full package. As you can see, it updates in real time. Once everything looks good, just hit save to lock in your mockup. Here's the 3D preview of the packaging. You can rotate it, zoom in, and see exactly how your design will look in real life. Now let's export this using the Super Export option. From here, you can choose different frame sizes like 1:1, 4:3, 9:16, or 16:9, depending on where you want to use it, whether it's for social media, e-commerce, or print. You can also export your mockup as JPEG or PNG and choose the resolution, 2K, 4K, or even 8K if you need super high quality. Let me show you one of the edge animations. It gives the final design a clean, dynamic reveal. Looks great for presentations or product showcases. You can also generate HTML code directly from here. And if you want to share or embed the mockup, just click here. Once you're done, just hit export and your file is ready to go. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful.